Hi, my name is Marc Binney. I work for DB Cargo Rail UK. DB Cargo is one of the largest rail hauliers in the UK. In 2017, DB Cargo went on a significant business transformation. We underwent a process of replacing our traditional brick buildings with modular buildings and cabins. Modular buildings are significantly less expensive to maintain and run than the traditional buildings that we had. The changes also helped us hold a property portfolio that reflects the fluid nature of our business. As a rail haulier, customer service is paramount in our business. The team took the time to understand what DB Cargo were trying to achieve. They've taken on board the requirements from DB Cargo, from an initial meeting with me and my team, to visiting the site where we've installed buildings and spoken to the guys on the ground. Wernick have presented DBC with options and solutions to achieve a large number of builds in the timescales. Our contact Shahid has almost become an extended member of the DB Cargo team, and this relationship has led to further projects. This has established Wernick Refurbished Buildings as the sole provider to DBC. Refurbished buildings and cabins have allowed us to keep our costs low in the business. This has allowed us to replace more units than we originally expected. An additional benefit we have found with a refurbished building is we have been able to make it bespoke to our own requirements.